ladies and gentlemen, you having fun? How about that crash course? Pretty cool, huh? And those fire dancers, gotta love them. And we had Antonio here, all the way from Excalibur, pretty lucky. Okay, so I am Connie Widman, and I am with the Cherry Bombs. I'm standing here right now with my friend Amber Mayfield. She's pretty freaking awesome. She's with AM Pyro. And it was Amber who came up with the idea to have the first ever all-female Pyro show. Give it up, please.
Give it to the female.
Here we go. Okay, so Amber came up with this idea, and we got to thank a lot of people, so you got to give me a minute here. We want to thank our friend Ellen Webb. She made 2 10-inch pink champagne on ice shells. And then we have Cheryl Mather, who wishes to remain anonymous. She made a 12-inch shell. The infamous Connie Widman. Oh yeah, that's me. I made a 12-inch triple petal shell. My friends Sam and Clara, today they made a 12-inch triple petal shell. Zelma Z for the artwork, it's awesome. Robin and Donna Clark for donating the mongoose firing system that we're using this evening. The women of AM Pyro that made every single shell in this show is made by a female in the United States of America. Domestic. Woohoo! Kirsty, Linda, and Amber were the primary builders. Amanda Nixon for her gerb support. And our crew that we couldn't have done it without. Amber, Christy, her right hand, Z, Tina, Tess, Allie, Amanda, Margie, Connie, and Cheryl. And we did have a little help from a couple others. 3 cherry boys, 2 tucktails, and 1 mandingo. And finally, AM Pyro for the product and financial support. So I have one last question. Who likes Motley Crue? I mean, who likes Motley Crue? So girls, 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 hit it, Tina!
That was awesome. That was good.
use the cherry bomb. It's going to be a great afterglow tonight. 11 o'clock.